Is your Realme watch dying way faster than it used to? It is incredibly annoying when your wearable runs out of juice before the day is even over. Don't worry, I am going to show you exactly how to stop the drain and get your battery life back to normal right now. Welcome back to Tech Vibes. I am your tech expert friend here to help you optimize your gear so you can stay connected without the constant charging. Realme watches offer great value, but certain background features can quickly eat through that small battery. Most of the time, the drain is caused by aggressive heart rate tracking, high screen brightness, or a glitchy connection with the Realme Link app. Let's dive into the fixes. Step 1. Adjust your heart rate monitoring frequency. Open the Realme Link app and change your heart rate detection from continuous to every 5 or 10 minutes. This significantly reduces the power used by the green LED sensors on the back of the watch. Step 2. Turn off the Raise to Wake feature during sleep hours. Use the schedule setting in the app to disable this at night. This prevents the screen from lighting up every time you move in bed, saving hours of battery life. Step 3. Lower your screen brightness. Swipe down on your watch face and set the brightness to level 2 or 3. You will still see everything clearly indoors, but your battery will last much longer. Step 4. Reduce the screen on time. Set your display to turn off after 5 seconds of inactivity. Keeping the screen on for 10 or 15 seconds every time you get a notification is a massive waste of energy. Step 5. Audit your app notifications. Every vibration uses a tiny motor that drains power. Disable alerts for social media or junk emails and only keep the ones that are truly urgent. Step 6. Disable automatic blood oxygen or SpO2 tracking. These sensors use more power than a standard heart rate monitor. Switching this to manual mode will give you a huge boost in daily runtime. Step 7. Use a simple official watch face. Avoid third-party animated faces or ones with too many active data complications. Static dark-colored faces use much less power on your display. Step 8. Turn off the sedentary reminder and water intake alerts. While these are helpful, each alert triggers the vibration motor and the screen. If you don't need them, turn them off in the Realme Link app. Step 9. Manage your GPS settings for workouts. If you are exercising indoors, ensure the GPS is not actively searching for a signal. Only use the GPS for outdoor runs or cycles to preserve the battery. Step 10. Restart the watch and check for firmware updates. Open the Realme Link app and ensure your watch is running the latest software version. A quick reboot often clears out hidden background processes that are stuck in a power-hungry loop. Here's a pro tip for the power users. If you are on a long trip without a charger, enable the power saving mode. This turns off the smart features but keeps the basic time and step counting active for several extra days. If you face any difficulty with these battery settings, please leave a comment below. I check the comments regularly and I will reply to you within 1 hour. If these tips helped you stay powered up, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Your watch is optimized and ready for the week. I will see you in the next one.